breezy with lows around 50. Northwest wind. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hays County, southeastern Kendall County, north central Bexar County, Comal County, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bergheim, or 12 miles east of Bernie, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wimberley, Canyon Lake Dam, Canyon Lake, Fair Oaks Ranch, Bull Verde, Wood Creek, Guadalupe River State Park, Smithson Valley, Fisher, Spring Branch, Bergheim, Timberwood Park, Anhalt, Starksville, Sattler, Spextor, Scenic Oaks, and Honey Creek State Natural Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Hays, southeastern Kendall, north central Bexar and Comal counties. At 9:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Smithson Valley, or 11 miles west of Canyon Lake Dam, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wimberley, Canyon Lake Dam, Canyon Lake, Fair Oaks Ranch, Bull Verde, Wood Creek, Guadalupe River State Park, Smithson Valley, Fisher, Spring Branch, Bergheim, Timberwood Park, Anhalt, Starksville, Sattler, Spextor, Scenic Oaks, and Honey Creek State Natural Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. An hour gusting to 24, and the pressure the severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hays, east central Kendall, and Comal counties is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer poses an immediate threat to life or property. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. However, gusty winds are still possible with this thunderstorm. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas.